Credible Messenger program, and I first found out about this about a year and a half ago, and I was fortunate enough to be able to take a trip up to New York City, where the Credible Messenger program actually began. And the theory behind it is to match kids up with people who have been involved in the justice system before. Sometimes as an inmate, sometimes family members have been involved, but somebody that's credible, that can actually work with kids, who has some credibility to them just from their own life experience.